Do you want to send a document on Twitter X? You can send any documents on X Message with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a document in a message on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the Messages icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open your Direct Messages section. Now, tap on the conversation where you want to send the document. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the plus icon next to the message box. Now from the different options, tap on File. Your phone's file manager will open. Now, browse and select the document you want to send, such as a PDF, Word, or other supported file. Add a message if you want to include text with the document. Now tap the Send button. Your document will be uploaded and sent in the chat. The other person will be able to download or view the document from the conversation.